All right, so we want to start building the sidebar, but before we do that, I just want you to know that I you can check the GitHub repository for this p-invent app that we're currently building. So if you click on the GitHub repository for this link, you will see that I've created several branches for the different stages in the course of building the project. So if you click on view all branches, you will see branch 14, yeah, which is where we build the sidebar. So if you click on branch 14, then you will see all the code that has to do with the sidebar. So let me just actually go there. I'll go to the front end and I'll open my source, and the sidebar is inside the components folder, and then we have the sidebar. So if you open that, you're just going to see everything that has to do with the sidebar. So as it is now, everything we want to build in the next maybe couple of videos that has to do with the sidebar specifically, you can find the code that we're trying to achieve. You can find it here. So if you go to sidebar.js, for example, you'll see everything that we need to write for the sidebar.js. Same for the other parts like the sidebar item.js. Okay, so I'm actually showing you this because it took me a while to like explain and build this process. The process of building the sidebar, it took me a while. So if you don't want to waste all that time, if you don't want to spend all that time seeing how I actually built out the sidebar, you can just grab this code from this branch 14, which is build sidebar, and then we can just continue with the project. So that's about it, and let's get started building the sidebar.